Before having the thought of digital products, I know and I guess by now you already know what digital products is high in demand. Because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you three best digital products for you to start selling. And one tip that I'm going to be giving to you is, before you start selling digital products, or before you start creating or making each or any kind of digital product, make sure to always check out if that particular digital product is high in demand at that moment. Also have this part at the back of your mind, that you are going to be needing enough digital product to sell. You are not going to be making one digital product, or you are not going to be making two digital products to sell. You are going to be making numerous of them. If it's an ebook, for example, you are going to be making a whole lot of ebooks, so that when people demand for it, even if it's a particular topic, you could be making like 20 ebooks out of each particular topic. You are not going to be making it one, so you've got to have a lot of copies to make. So always have that at the back of your mind. The top one on our list today is ebook. A lot of people do talk about ebook and they seem to make it look easy, but actually I think ebook is hard. Like, ebook is hard for you to write. Like, people do say that you should put on a prompt and let ChatGPT do the work for you. Write and copy it and paste it in your book, then design the cover and order. That's not the best way to write your ebook. For you to write with ChatGPT, it's just that ChatGPT is going to be helping you brainstorm some kind of ideas and brainstorm some kind of certain things. That is what ChatGPT helps you to do. The reason why I'm saying this is because if people find out that your books are written with AI, because of course it's not going to be humanized enough. So if people find out that your book is not humanized, that it is not written by you, or it doesn't feel like it's human who wrote that particular book, they wouldn't want to come back to your store to come and get a kind of book, or to come and get any kind of stuff again. Like, people will lose trust in you. Book, if you want to learn how to write ebook the right way, please write ebook in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be making a video on that. So I will leave the link to the video. If eventually I get your comment ebook in the comment section, I'm going to paste it for you. Talking about ebooks, I guess the best selling topics in ebooks are wealth, health, and relationships. So for you to start creating ebooks, I know anything about wealth, you know anything about health, you know about relationships and other educational stuff, then I guess you should start making your books right away and start selling them. Well, I actually don't recommend selling on Etsy. I don't know, because for us Nigerians and for some kind of countries is like we are restricted from selling in the app. So you look for the best selling apps for you to sell your ebooks. You can sell your ebook in Amazon Kindle. So I think that Amazon Kindle is helping a lot. So you can actually sell your ebooks there. You can sell your ebooks in other platforms. Okay, so make sure to like make your ebook look unique enough. Like the design, you can make your designs in Canva. You can create your cover in Canva. You can also use Canva to create an ebook. For an ebook, let me know in the comment section if that is what you are going for. Okay, which is actually going to be taking us to our second one, and the second one is class and workshop. I don't know if you come across a particular place where you hear of online teaching, online subscription and membership and all that. I think this is actually the best way for you to also make money through digital products. Okay, so all you have to do is just place your camera, just like you make YouTube videos and all that, just like you create your TikTok videos. But in this place, what you need to do is like create a kind of topic or lessons that are rarely found here on YouTube, or that are really found on other platforms, just like solving problems to people. You can actually teach and create your workshop, and a place where you can sell your courses, you can sell your class, you can sell your membership is Udemy. So on Udemy, all you need to do is just create an account with them, and of course start making your classes, and you are going to be getting students. Once what you are giving out to people are valuable, and it is hard to find from other places, so that is how you do this particular class and all that. So just place your camera, or you can start by creating courses, just like writing an ebook, or just like writing handouts and all that. Just let it be that it is a particular topic that people really find, and it's a particular topic that people don't actually see anyhow. So this is all you have to do. And there are places you can say your courses. You can say your courses in thinkfic, you can say your courses in teachable, you can sell in Udemy and other platforms that you can actually monetize in order for you to start making money from digital products. The third one is templates. Okay, so templates, you actually create them and you sell them online. Creating templates is not that hard. You can actually get already made templates in Canva, and all you need to do is just recreate them depending on the type of templates we have. Like we have document templates, you have resumes, you have, just find the one that is trending. Then you are going to create a template depending on the trending and depending on what is high in demand, like I said initially. So if you have watched this video to this particular place, please do let me know in the comment section if this video has been helpful so far. Selling your templates, you have places to sell your templates, like we have creative markets, we have Gumroad, we have a lot of places where you can actually say you can also sell on your own particular website, or you sell on Shopify, depending on the place where you choose to market your templates and also drive your topic. So please do let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and thanks again for watching this video to this extent. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and don't forget to like this video. See you in my next video.